Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about something important, your 10th board exams, and how to not stress over them. I know, it sounds tough, but believe me, it's possible. First, make a study plan. Don't wait till the last minute. Break down your syllabus into small parts. Make a timetable, and stick to it. This will help you study everything without feeling too pressured. Next, practice old papers. This helps you understand the exam style and how to use your time well. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Okay, this is important. Take breaks. Your brain needs rest. Every hour, take a 10-minute break. Stretch, walk around, or just breathe deeply. It keeps your mind fresh. Also, eat good food and drink lots of water. Your body needs energy. Eat fruits and nuts, not junk food, and drink plenty of water. Sleep is very important. Sleep for 7-8 hours every night. This helps you remember what you studied and keeps you focused during exams. Lastly, stay positive. Be with people who support you. It's okay to feel stressed sometimes, but don't let it control you. Believe in yourself. You can do it. That's all for today. If you liked these tips, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. All the best for your exams. And remember, you are more than just your marks. See you next time. Bye!